Greetings, music makers. I'm Dr. Cayari, and in this video I'm going to teach you the parts of the ukulele, how to hold it, and 3 different ways that you can pick with your right hand. We'll cover the left hand in another video. So grab your ukulele, and without further ado, let's get ready to learn. When you look at a ukulele, you'll see that there's 3 main parts: the body, the head, and the neck. In the middle of the body there is a hole, and the sound comes out of it, so we call that the sound hole. There are 4 things going from the body to the head, and those are called strings. And then on the neck, you see a bunch of metal lines, and those are called frets. On the back of the head, there are tuning pegs. Where the head and the neck meet, that's called the nut. The nut holds the strings up so they can vibrate freely. On the body, you see the saddle and the bridge. And they also help to hold the strings up. Now let's talk about the strings and the frets. How many frets does your ukulele have? This one has 12. There are 4 sizes of ukuleles: soprano, concert, tenor, and baritone. Each of them have a different number of strings, and typically there's 12 to 25, and sometimes even more. When we name the strings, we can use numbers. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, starting from the bottom going up. We can also use pitches: G, E, C, and A. But often people start with the A string and go A, C, E, G. The tradition is to sing, "My dog has fleas." The instrument originated in Hawaii, and the translation of ukulele is jumping flea. So when you hold your ukulele, what you're going to have is 3 points of contact. It's going to rest on your belly, you're going to hug it with your right hand, and you're going to hold it with your left hand. When you want to make sound on the instrument, you have to hit one of the strings. So let's use our thumb first. When you give me a thumbs up, now relax your hand. And it should look like that. What you're going to do is push down on the string at a 45-degree angle. Let's play the first string, which is at the bottom, 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try it on the second string. Ready, go. Third string. Now fourth. Now we're going to try to use our index finger. We'll push down on the string at a 45-degree angle, but it's coming this way instead of that way. That's what's called a rest stroke. So your index finger will go down and rest on the next string. Let's try 4 of them on the first string. Ready, go. Let's try 4 on each string. 1, 2, ready, go. First string. Second string. Now the third string. And the last one. You'll notice, of course, that when you run out of strings, there's nowhere to rest. So your finger will actually rest on your hand, or what you can do is rest on the sound hole. The third option is using a pick. When you hold a pick, give me a thumbs up, and then you're going to put the pick in your hand and grasp it with your thumb. Now you'll notice it doesn't point the way the thumb does, it actually points to the side. It's as if it replaces your index finger. Again, you're going to go at a 45-degree angle. Let's play 4 on the first string. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play 4 on each string. 1, 2, ready, go. If you want some practice using your right hand using any of the techniques that we've just learned, go ahead and click the right hand practice video. If you're ready to learn how to use your left hand to change the pitches of the strings, click on this video. And as always, if you're new here and don't want to miss any of the resources I publish about learning and creating music online, click my face over there. And until next time, keep on making music.